Starting around 19 July 2023, Bitgert in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.29% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which is genuinely critical. Brise really has a complete market cap of $101,909,571, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,774,688. Which in every practical sense is very huge. This truly makes Bitgert, Brise in every way that really matters, positioning at 191 in the digital currency market, which generally is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitgert in a real sense be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is Bitgert a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? Will Brise cost truly outperform its unsurpassed kind of high in a really significant manner? These in every practical sense are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost explicitly is supposed to especially cross a truly normal value level of $0.00000032, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to basically be $0.00000031, which generally is very huge. Besides, Brise can arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0.00000035, which generally is very huge. Bitgert value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Bitgert generally is supposed to truly be at around a genuinely least of $0.00000025, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert cost can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $0.00000028 with the in every way that really matters normal cost of $0.00000027 in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Bitgert, Brise, value figure August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Bitgert for the most part is somewhat anticipated to explicitly arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.00000028, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.00000030 and an extremely least of $0.00000027, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Bitgert in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000031, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.00000029, which is genuinely critical. Bitgert, Brise, value conjecture October 2023. The Bitgert, Brise, cost for October 2023 may sort of arrive at a really least worth of $0.00000029, while the in every practical sense most extreme determined cost by and large is around $0.00000032. Amazingly, the sort of typical cost for Brise is basically anticipated to truly reach $0.00000030 in October 2023. Bitgert value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Bitgert could explicitly stretch around $0.00000034 in a significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 explicitly is $0.00000030, with a very normal cost of $0.00000031. Further appearance how Bitgert, Brise, value conjecture August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Bitgert truly is in every way that really matters. Anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.00000028, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.00000030 and an especially least of $0.00000027. Incredibly, Brise value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitgert explicitly is gauged to sort of be at around a sort of least worth of $0.00000031, or so they generally thought. The Bitgert value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially limit of $0.00000035, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00000032 in USD. Bitgert, extremely past value examination, in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been truly diminished by 2.2% in its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we really look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap explicitly is additionally down, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitgert in a real sense is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, or so they in every way that really matters thought. The Brise for the most part is down to nearly 3.31% in the by and large most recent 7 days, showing how Brise value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Bitgert in a real sense is gauged to basically be at around a very least worth of $0.00000031 in a quite huge manner. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for pretty past for the most part couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have serious areas of strength for really yet. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment, exhibiting how Brise explicitly has a by and large all-out market cap of $101,909,571, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,774,688, which sort of is very huge. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise in every practical sense diminished by 47.439%. Wiping out an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.00000023 from its truly current worth, which fundamentally is very huge. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a by and large great, for the most part purchase a valuable open door for essentially speedy venture, showing how starting around 19 July 2023, Bitgert sort of is exchanging at $0.00000026 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.29% in by in large most recent 1 hour in a very enormous manner. Bitgert value estimate 2023 facts. What will explicitly be Bitgert for the most part worth in 2023 in a very significant manner. The Brise cost generally is gauged to truly arrive at and in every practical sense